Hello everyone, hope you're all right. What have me and Matthew got today? Well, today we've got 18 cleans to do. They're all in Whistbeats. So today I pretty much guarantee we're going to run out of water and we're going to have to drive home to fill up. So we're going to lose a bit of time there, but we'll have a lunch break or something. It's good money maker for us, so it should be a good day. What could go wrong? Who knows? Now I've said that. So just follow along and find out. Anyone who says you don't need ladders when you're doing water-fed pole will be wrong, as I'll show you in a minute. But I'm going to do this house here. Matthew's going to do that one there opposite me, and then just spin you around. Not next door, but the bungalow next door to that. Matthew's now starting on that one. So I've got 1/3 of me extension ladder here to get access onto this roof, so I can clean the Velux windows, and there's a polycarbonate roof just below my finger. And I've got 2/3 of my extension ladder here to help me get access to this massive conservatory roof. I've got a step ladder to help me get to this side of the conservatory roof and the windows above it. So on this one, I'm using all my ladders and I'm water-fed pole, but I need them. Right, in this spot here we do 4 houses. We've just done one, but I have to park my van somewhere else to get to that one. And then I've parked my van here where we're going to clean the next 3 houses. So that's helpful. And it's handy having all 4 close to each other as well, because they're big houses. Cleaning that house there, I'm going to clean that one. Then Matthew's going to clean the one next door to it. And as soon as we're both finished our houses, we're going to come over to this one here. And then we're going to join forces on this one. And the one we just cleaned is the other half of this, because this is actually 2 properties. Right, so all those cleans done, and it's now 2 minutes to 12. We've done £276. We've got £157 left with 10 cleans. We've just got an extra clean added on, and then we've got a clean taken off, so it kind of cancelled each other out. The reason why one's taken off is Matthew did a good spot. There's a customer of ours where 2 weeks ago we cleaned the fascia softs and gutters. We did the conservatory roof, plus we did all their windows as well. So he said it wouldn't make sense. Just want to double check if that's all right to maybe skip it, or we clean it if you really want to. And they said, yeah, fine, skip it, because every 4 weeks anyway. So that's given us a bit of breathing room, and we're out of water. So Matthew's just put our spare water into the tank, and we'll see what we can do. Now, out of them 10 cleans we've got, some of them are quite small. So let's see if we can actually get it done without having to go home and fill up with water. That's the challenge now for the day. Right, that's it. That's us done. Me and Matthew finished by 3 p.m. Total of 18 cleans, and it was a good day's taken for us, 426. So for us, that's good going. And by 3 p.m. we didn't go home for lunch. We didn't have to go home to refill up with water. We went for it. The last clean, to be honest, I was waiting for the water to run out and I was going to have to trad some of the bottoms, but it managed to hold out for us. So sometimes you've got to gamble and go for it, haven't you? So yeah, all in all, great day. Sun has come out. This afternoon has ended up being quite a scorcher, whereas the morning it wasn't. And also we've got another customer potentially. We've done a first clean today. There's someone that stopped and asked us for a quote a couple of weeks ago, and she just asked, could I clean her mum? Because her mum has the same window cleaner she had, who stopped coming round about 3 months ago. So I said, no problem. And amazingly, her mum is 105 years old and still lives in a house that she's had since 1958. So 105 years old and still going up and down stairs. That's unbelievable. So I look forward to quoting that one and hopefully having her as a customer and hearing what she's got to say. I mean, my eldest customer before, bless her heart, was Betty. She was 101. What a lovely lady she was. So yeah, it'd be interesting on this one. Anyway, that's us all done. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Please, it helps me out. If there's anything you'd like me to improve these vlogs, stick them in the comments below. Hope you've had a cracking day as well. And yeah, compared to what it's been like over winter, it's been brilliant to get a couple of good months together, and I'm down a wage bill, so it's not a survival month for me, that's for sure. So the pot is starting to build up. I'm going to concentrate on building that up a bit more before I start clearing some debts, so at least I have a buffer. Anyway, that's me done. YouTube will stick a video up somewhere for you to watch. See you on the next one.